day everyone, this is our report. This is our report about Ayupak naming
Pause.
Longest unbroken sequence of carbon atoms. The number of carbons sets the root's name. Two carbons is ethane. 3 carbons is propane. 4 carbons is butane. And 5 carbons pentane. And 6 carbons hexane. Prioritize multiple bonds. Double or triple bonds exist. The parent chain must include them even if another chain is slightly longer. Carbon ring is usually the parent structure unless an attached straight chain has more carbons than the ring.
Number of parent chain. Functional group priority. Number from the end closest to the highest priority group. Priority group from the highest to lowest. Carboxylic acid. Aldehydes, ketones, alcohol, alkanes, halogens. Lowest, locanes. If there's are only single bonds or substituent of equal priority. Number from the end that gives the smallest possible number. Lowest locane. Is there are only single bonds or substituent of equal priority. Number from the end that gives the smallest possible number. Locane for side branches. Identify and organize substituent. Substituents are groups attached to the parent chain, named in order as follows. Naming substituent groups, not parts of parent chains in the suffix. Example, YL or lagi. Example, methyl, ethyl, and propyl. Alphabetical order list substituent alphabetically. Bromo before chloro, ethyl before methyl. Multiple identical substituent use prefixes di, tri, and tetra, and etc. These prefixes are not considered when alphabetizing substituent. Yun lang po.
Assemble the full name. Let's go.
Separate the numbers with commas.
This is how to separate these two numbers. You need, if there is two numbers or more than two, you need to use comma. No? So to separate the two numbers. Separate number later with hyphens.
1, 2, 3, go.
This is how to separate the numbers with letters with the hyphens. Examples. 2 dash 3. Tagal gini mo sa diag anak kay para dili siya batik tanawon. Ang tawag ka na hyphens. Tumaw na. Write the full name as one of continuous word with no space.
So this is how to write the complete name as one of continuous word with no space. Example, as you can see, there are 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dili tumanin mo, kung mo makita, ang kalima is pentane. Pentane. Butang mo pentane na rin. Butang mo sa parent, pentane. Tapos, tanawin mo kung asa dapat ang iyang sumpay di wala sa dali nga pagsabot sumpay or yang sanga 1, 2, 3 nasa ito ang iyang sanga butang tag 3 dire tapos kung unsa ang nasa ikatulo is methyl butang tag methyl dire then wala na may lain siya nga wala naman siya lain nga sanga sa kuan dire sa nang butang ha 3 dash methyl butang mo methyl dire sumpay nimo ang methyl dire sa last so ingani on pagsumpay ang names o yung pag
That's all. Thank you!